There we go. And away we go. I always fly low when I leave my home. I'm trying to keep the noise profile down. It's about not even a 3-minute flight to the airport. Wenatchee area traffic, helicopter 630, Mike. Lima is a beam of 3 Lakes. We are inbound landing at the airport for fuel. Wenatchee. A little chilly.
Observation 1746 Zulu. Wind 210 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition overcast 8,500. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point 11 Celsius. Altimeter 29090. Remarks. Density altitude 1,500.
And Wenatchee traffic, helicopter 0 Mike Lima will be crossing the runway low level midfield. I got the aircraft and the taxiway on site. I'll be behind you. Sir Mike Lima crossing runway. And 0 Mike Lima clear the runway. Oh. Well, it looks like the cherry drying helicopters are coming in. There's 2 helicopters sitting there. Transient parking. Wonder if they're on contract yet. My first contract doesn't start until the end of this week. And here we are for fuel. Exciting, huh? Not really.